Hi, it's Denise and my son, Markiana. Today we're just going to show you one of the exercises that we use when we are practicing speech therapy at home for some simple words and some playing. With Markiano, he has acquired cerebral palsy. He doesn't speak and he's developmentally delayed. So we're just trying to work with him at home to make sure that he has some interaction and that way he's sociable with the family. So what we do is we take one or two of his favorite toys, and he likes rattles. So we will shake, shake, shake. Mommy. Look at mom. Mommy. Shake, shake, shake. Look at mommy. Mom. Shake, shake, shake. And stop. Markiano's turn. Markiano, pick up your rattle. Pick up your rattle. Use your hands. Get your rattle. Pick up your rattle. Markiano also doesn't really have use of his hands, so we are working on that as well. Pick up your rattle. Markiano. Pick up your rattle. Markiano's rattle is right here on the tray. So if they're not picking up their rattle or whatever it is that you would like them to pick up, if they're not using their hands, go ahead and assist them from the elbow. You got the rattle. Good job. Yay! Markiano's turn. Remember what mommy was doing? Shake, shake, shake. Markiano's turn. Shake, shake, shake. Yay! You want to do it from the elbow or from the back, like if you could grab from the back, so that way they can get some use of their arms. So we're going to grab from the back like this and help them grab it and pick it up. Hold it tight. Try to hold it tight and shake, shake, shake. Uh-oh, you dropped it. Markiano, it's time to get your rattle. Look, baby. Look, Markiano. I got the rattle. Markiano's turn. This time, let's tap, tap, tap. You like that? Tap, tap, tap. Markiano, get your rattle. Go, go, go. Pick it up, Markiano. Pick up your rattle. Pick up your rattle. Pick up your rattle, Markiano. Yeah, you got it now. Tap, tap, tap. This is like hand over hand when you put your hand over whatever they're doing. So tap, tap, tap. I like to start off with hand over hand and then work at the shoulder and elbow. Tap, tap, tap. Instead of grabbing here in the middle or the wrist, just do this. Tap, tap. So that way it gives them kind of the freedom to do it. Tap, tap, tap. Yay! Markiano. Tap, tap, tap. Try to hit two of them at the same time. Tap, tap, tap. Shake, shake, shake. And tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. And shake, shake, shake. Yay! So just keep doing that. It's all about being repetitive and showing the baby what you're doing, so that way hopefully they will see what you're doing and pick up on it, and then they can do it themselves. And then also you have to guide them a little bit and help them, because they're not like a typical baby. He's 2 years old, so it's just going to be a lot of repetitive work until he's able to catch on. And so before he couldn't even do this. So this is a milestone that we're happy about, because before he couldn't hold something in each hand. So now he can hold something in each hand, and he's also holding it for a while, which is great. So we're going to keep building on that. It's time to go. We'll say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Have a great day. Bye. The backstory is that we just haven't been fortunate in physical and occupational therapy as far as getting therapists to challenge my son or take him seriously. And we've just been waiting for 10 to 11 months just for equipment for him that he may need. And we're still waiting for a formal denial letter. We've been waiting for that for weeks. And it just has been a debilitating experience. So I'm having to take matters into my own hands and just do the work at home. So I'm hoping that this will help you guys if you are in any of this type of situation as well. Have a great day. Bye.